This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Luis Fernandez. Live in paradise in a boutique, beautiful building in the quietest section of Brickell. The foyer entrance greets you with a gorgeous view of the ocean with natural light pouring in from every angle. Spacious living areas and kitchen with room for a breakfast nook. Enjoy a sunset dinner on the wraparound balcony close enough to hear the waves and overlooking Key Biscayne. Wood laminate floors throughout and spacious bedrooms and closets. This lovely unit is available furnished or unfurnished at a discounted rate. Building has great amenities including oceanfront pool, barbecue area and gym. Available immediately. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Fernandez at 786-376-3161.